So, seeing as there's no racing going on at the minute, I can't provide you with that kind of content, I thought, why not do something a little bit different? I'm going to give you guys a little kind of how-to tutorial. I'm a bit iffy myself on how to replace this radio for one of these radios. Let's get to it. So one of the first things you're going to have to do is get this little bit of trim off that sits around the outside of the radio, which we will be using again later on to go around the sides of this radio. But first off, what you're going to need is you're going to need a little trim tool like I've got. You can get them really cheap from Halfords or something like that, and just pry underneath here until this trim comes out. It should be fairly straightforward, and then we'll roll on to the next bit. Obviously I can't multitask, so I'll get it off and then I'll show you guys the next step. One way I have found to do this, if you look under here, there's a little like tabs where you can pull on. All I did was got the little trim tool, got it underneath and pulled, and it just pops straight out. And then hopefully what I should just be able to do is, with a little help from this, is just to get it in there and pry the other side as well. And then as you can see, it's starting to come off. So as you can see, the trim is now off. I now have it in my hands. And as you can see, we have 4 bolts there, 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 and there, which we're going to have to take out so we can get this big bad boy out and then swapping it out. So now we have all 4 of these lovely screws out. What we should just be able to do is just pull. Obviously I can't do this with 2 hands, but as you can see, the radio is now out. And then we'll go around to the back of this radio and take everything out that we need to. So as you can see, I've managed to get it out of the slot there. And as you can see, we've got one big plug there, which is basically all your wiring. And you've got your little radio thing there that you need to take out as well. Now with this one right here, I can't really show it too well, but here you've got 2 things either side. And as long as you pull either side of this thing, then it will flap up and you'll be able to just pull it straight out. And that's what I'm going to quickly do, seeing as, like I said before, I've only got 1 hand for this. So I think it's a good time now to just have a quick look. With these little connectors here, inside, I don't know if you can, it's really a bit bad, but if you can just see my finger here, if you just tuck it in underneath, this little device will pull back, and it's just so easy then to get it out. And with this aerial thing, it had a bit of confusion of how to do this, but just after, as you can see here, this little thing moves up, and you're easy enough then just to take it out nice, as it just falls off, but nice and easily just to get it out, easy jizz it. And now you're ready to install your bad boy radio right here. Right, now is the easy bit of getting all of this wiring and the plug plugged in to this bad boy. It's fairly self-explanatory, as you can see on the rear. Plugs in, that plugs in, and you should be good. So what we're going to do is we're going to set it up, and then we'll go from there. Right, so I don't think you can see too well, but as you can see, we've got plug in there, and we've got this plugged in there, and all you got to do is just push your wiring back in, and then we'll get onto the easy part of just mounting these bolts back into the original slots where VW put theirs. So you've now refitted your bolts 1, 2, 3 and 4. All you want to do really now is grab your little bit of trim and put it back where you found it. This is the really easy bit. And that's it. Once that's all in, all you got to do, press the on button, and here it is, everything you would ever want. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have, give it a big old thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and comment down below if you want any more of these kind of tutorials. But until next time, guys, have a good day. I'll see you guys later. Peace.